I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've installed Swiftkey, so start by enabling it in Settings. Open iPhone Settings, tap General then Keyboard, and choose Add New Keyboard. Once added, tap Swiftkey and decide whether to allow full access. This enables cloud backup, personalization, and syncing across devices. Make sure you understand full access grants data processing for predictions, only enable if you accept that trade-off. After enabling, return to Swiftkey app to finish initial language and theme choices, so the keyboard is ready for immediate use. Now customize how Swiftkey types for you. Open the Swiftkey app to add or prioritize languages and toggle autocorrect and punctuation preferences so suggestions match your style. Then select a layout, one-handed, floating, or compact, and adjust key size to reduce typos. Enable swipe typing for faster input and turn on emoji predictions and clipboard syncing to speed messaging. Once set, try typing in Notes to see how predictions learn from corrections. This learning improves accuracy over time. Finish by practicing common actions. Press the globe icon to switch keyboards, long press it to pick Swiftkey directly, and tap the toolbar for clipboard, GIF, and themes. If suggestions feel wrong, clear Swiftkey's typing data in the app to reset learn predictions. Once done, predictions relearn quickly. If the keyboard won't appear, make sure it's enabled under Settings General Keyboard and full access is set if required. If problems persist, reinstall the app and re-enable permissions to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.